Welcome to my first cooking class. Today I'm gonna make Korean food called stir-fry sausage and vegetables with tomato sauce. I think you can follow very easily. First, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. I used smoked Russians made by Rainbow Company, and I will use 5 Russians and 1 green pepper and 1 carrot and half onion. And these are for making sauce. This is oyster sauce, I think you can get from the Chinese market, and tomato sauce and sugar. First, cut the sausage into small pieces. And carve lightly the sausage. In that way, the sausage will soak inside well. And cut the vegetables into any shape. And if you want, you can add more vegetables. And I will make the sauce. Put 4 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And put water a little bit. And mix all of them together. Heat the pan first and add oil. And then fry the vegetables for about 2 minutes. When it is fried, add the sausage and fry it together. Lastly, add the sauce and fry all together for a short time. Did you follow well? Put the cooked dishes in a bowl. And you're done. If you follow this video well, you can enjoy delicious foreign food. Next time, I will come back with a more informative video. Good job all. Bye bye.